Celebrities skirting the law and getting away with it. We're bringing you a roundup of the latest high-profile cases of celebs gone rogue. Joining me now, high-profile divorce attorney Randall Kessler and Fox News legal analyst Lis Wiehl. Guys, I want to start with this video of Reese Witherspoon after her husband got stopped. She was with him for DUI. Check this out.
Ma'am, what did I just tell you to do?
I'd like to know what's going on.
He's under arrest. If you don't get back
I'm a U.S. citizen. I have to obey your orders?
Yes, you do.
No, sir, I do not. I'm now being arrested and handcuffed?
Yep.
Do you know my name, sir?
Don't need to know.
You don't need to know my name?
Not quite yet. I'll get that
really?
information.
Okay. You're about to find out who I am.
Do you know who I am? Randy, have you been down this lane before? You've represented a lot of celebrities.
You know, it's a new world. 20 years ago, there weren't video cameras everywhere and iPhones and Androids. So, you know, these are normal people. They're surrounded by people that protect them. They have publicists. They have good lawyers.
Normal people don't act this badly. Normal people don't act this badly. Seriously.
Oh, come on. Everybody has their moments. We all have our moments.
But you don't pull out the celebrity card then here. And I got to tell you, Randy, I really want to defend Reese Witherspoon because, as you know, we're both Harvard Law School graduates and Legally Blonde and all that. You know, but I cannot defend my alum here because what she did was so outrageous. And then saying, "Do you know who I am? You're going to know my name now." Come on. You can't defend that.
But here's my question for you, Randy. Does it ever work to say, "Do you know who I am"? Do they ever get away with it because they pull the celebrity card?
Of course not. But the problem is everything they do is magnified. It's so bad. You know, they're desperate. They don't want to go to jail. She thinks she's powerful, and she is powerful. But guess what? It didn't work. And she learned, but you know, she's under the influence. People act differently. She had some false confidence.
You know, Southern women are not supposed to do this. I relate with her on that.
She was in character, you know.
Keep going.
No, she was in character. I mean, sometimes you shouldn't be in character. She was not a lawyer. And,
she was trying to litigate her way out of this one.
But she took care of it. Look, the way I look at it is not what she did then. What did she do after? She took care of it. She made the right comments. She made the right apology. So thank goodness she has good people surrounding her, or she's got good instincts. She did the right thing. She cleared it up, in my opinion.
She did the right thing, absolutely, by coming forward and saying, "I made a mistake," and all of that. For her PR image, for her image, she did the right thing. Legally, I mean, she's still looking at the same counts. It doesn't matter.
All right, let's talk about Lindsay. Let's talk about Lindsay Lohan for a moment, because there's another good story here. This is a woman who is always in trouble. So she's avoided jail time for now, but she's in trouble. She was supposed to show up at a rehab. She did not. She skipped out. Randy, what next?
Well, you know, that's a different story. This is a repeat offender. She's walking into problem after problem. It doesn't feel like she's hit rock bottom. People don't get better until they really realize what they've done is inexcusable. And she keeps getting into the same kind of trouble. And she should know there are cameras everywhere. She's been through this before. She's different than Reese Witherspoon.
But Randy, I mean, you're talking about her getting better. I'd love to see her get better. I hope that all the best for her and her family. But the problem is, you know, we're kind of excusing it. Oh, we really wanted her to get better. But what about the people that she could hurt when she's out there driving, when she's drunk, when she's not, you know, doing what she should be doing? She could be hurting other people. And if it were just, you know, the regular us, if this were any of us, we'd be put in jail. We've been put in jail for a long time ago for that kind of behavior.
That's true. That's true, but it's a two-way street, because I've represented people that are famous and they get in trouble, and judges treat them as an example, and they give them the harsher penalty so that everyone else thinks, oh my gosh, I shouldn't do that. So it goes both ways when you're a celebrity. You know, Reese Witherspoon, she came forward and said, I did wrong. The normal person wouldn't do that because that's admitting guilt. But for her, it's more important to admit guilt and have her public image be better. And, I mean, Lindsay Lohan, her public image sooner or later is going to take a hit if it hasn't taken one. They're still hiring her for movies. Sooner or later, the best directors are not going to be calling her. They're not going to take a risk on her if she keeps this up.
That's already happened to Lindsay Lohan. She's already at the bottom of the pile she's having real problems with her career. But Randy, you said you represented a lot of famous people. Let's show folks who that includes. Michael Jordan, Usher, Terrell Owens. I mean, you have been down this road many times, right?
We've dealt with a lot of them, and all I can say is they are real people with real issues, and when it comes down to criminal or family law issues, they bleed, they care, they cry, just like everybody else. And
Is your heart going out?
Yeah, my heart's not kind of bleeding here. I mean, if you know you're going to go out with your husband and drink too much, then, you know, when you got multi-million dollars,
you can afford car service.
Exactly. You could afford a babysitter, you could afford a nanny, you could afford a car service.
We have no patience.
Oh,
well,
Harvard
they
alums.
all have a saying. I mean, celebrities have a saying. It comes with the territory, so they understand that they're going to be under the microscope. But they really do have their hardships, and it's hard to be sympathetic. But you know, NFL guys, they make great money. But guess what? They're out of a job by age 29.
That's true.
For the next 50 years, there has been. So there's some sympathy there that they deserve, in my opinion.
You guys did a great job. Randy and Lisa's crying. I think those are crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears.
Is that what we call it? Guys, thanks for coming on tonight. Great job, Randy and Lis. Appreciate it.
Thanks.